My name is Jonathan Seagrass. I'm the managing attorney of Legal Aid of Nebraska's Native American program.
Thomas Snow.
Natasha Snow.
I think it was the fall of 2021. The Snows reached out to Legal Aid of Nebraska and they requested assistance.
Well, we were in the process of getting guardianship of my wife's niece. We were just waiting for everything to finalize and to start that process of guardianship, and then CFS came in and took the baby, and that was it.
They explained that their niece Emmy had been removed from their care.
CFS didn't tell us anything. They just, when we asked if we could see her or where she was or if she was okay or if she needed anything, the only thing that they said was she was safe. And that's all they said.
We needed help, and we reached out, and we got, I guess, accepted for representation, and that was the game changer.
I think it was right at the end of 2021, we agreed to, I agreed to represent them in, the case to, try to bring Emmy and her other children back home. The agreement was, we'll essentially hash it out in court. And then over the next 4 months, we had court to determine whether there was, justification for CFS removing Emmy from their home. When foster parents like the Snows, challenge the child's placement, which is what they did, because the child was placed with a non-native person off of the reservation, then the burden is on the tribe to prove that there was reason to not follow the placement preference. I made the argument that they hadn't presented sufficient evidence to justify that, and the court indicated that it agreed. Ultimately, in spring of 2023, the Winnebago Tribal Court granted the Snows permanent guardianship of Emmy, that was it.
And I do believe that if it wasn't for Jonathan and Legal Aid, that we wouldn't have her today. When you don't know how the system works and you don't know how to even do anything, you're gonna lose. And with Jonathan and Legal Aid, they knew what to do and they knew what steps to take. Just to Jonathan and Legal Aid, to thank them for everything, for bringing our family back together and completing our family, to have it tore and then put back together. And like I said, without Jonathan and Legal Aid, that would have never happened.
One of the best parts about, my job as an attorney with Legal Aid of Nebraska is being able to achieve, some, result that's meaningful for my clients. Not every case, you can achieve that. And but when you can in such a satisfying way, like, it seems like, we were able to do for the Snows, there's nothing better than that.